Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then initiate the client. Install the Swift client package for your language, set Bloxed API KEY and Bloxed project ID as environment variables, and verify access with a quick auth call. Once done, create a minimal config object in code with your region and endpoint, then instantiate the Swift client. Make sure to run a simple list containers call to confirm connectivity before moving on to object operations. Next, handle object lifecycle. Create a container and apply ACL and lifecycle rules to control retention. For small files, use a single put. For large files, use multi-part with concurrent parts to improve throughput and resume on failure. Once uploaded, verify the E-tag or checksum to ensure integrity, then record the object ID and metadata. Make sure to implement exponential backoff for retries and capture server responses to detect quota or permission issues early on. Finally, implement download and delete flows and ensure metadata updates are atomic where supported. Use streaming downloads for large objects and validate checksums after retrieval. Once done, add logging that includes xtrans ID and response codes to trace issues. If you encounter persistent failures, rotate the API key, confirm your project quota and container permissions, and verify that firewalls or proxies aren't blocking endpoints. A single troubleshooting tip: check xtrans ID and server logs to correlate client requests with backend errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.